I think it was last July when I started working on the Cyfle diaries. I took to the diaries straight away. The handwriting is reasonably easy, but the content of the diary entries were absolutely fascinating. Cyfle is an amazing person, and his personality really comes through the diaries even more than through his paintings. And then Gwyneth asked me if I would be interested in pioneering a piece of software called Transcribers, which is teaching a computer to recognise Cyfle's handwriting so that the software, when it is run, will recognise the letter forms and be able to produce the transcriptions automatically in the end. And information is actually going to big servers in Switzerland, and we're now getting the results back, and we can see that it appears to be working.